Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a really simple lentil salad today. Nothing to it. Not going to keep you long at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So really nice simple salad, this one. So let's take a look here. We've got lentils here. These are a brown lentil. They're actually considered to be a red lentil in a way, like a dark red lentil, but let's call them brown, shall we? 3 cups there that I've cooked. What I've done is I soaked them for a couple of hours and I boiled them for like 20 minutes. I didn't add salt, but if you want, you can add salt. And then I'm going to go with like a cup of tomatoes, cucumber, parsley, and green onions. You can change that. I mean, you can see the tomatoes and the cucumber slightly more, but let's just roughly say a cup, shall we? You can adjust it. There's the juice of 1 lemon there and the zest. I grated the zest off. And there's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Bit of salt and pepper and a tiny amount of cumin powder. Little mix, job done, beautiful. So you can see I've got a mixing bowl here and I've got the lentils, the tomato and the cucumber in. Let's get the chopped parsley, or you could use coriander if you want, the green onions, and I'm just using green onions, but if you wanted you could put some like raw red or white onion in there, the lemon juice and the zest and the olive oil. Maybe a little touch of garlic could be good in this. I'm going to opt out of that today, but you could put a bit in. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper to taste, you know, just a little sprinkle here and there. And then a little bit of cumin powder. Now, really a small amount. Half a teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon. You don't want too much in there, otherwise it will taste powdery, you know. Little mix and we've done it. And there we go, really simple. Play around with the amounts of the ingredients. You might want to put some other ingredients in if you want, like a bit of fresh chili or some chopped olives or something like that. I love that. Simple, tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.